what's up? It's Esther. I know it's been a long time, but today I thought it would be a good idea to film a room tour because I was thinking and I was like, wait, it's like middle of junior year, and junior year is like the definition of high school, and I don't know how much longer I'm gonna stay here, like college. I was just doing some deep thinking, and I thought my room wouldn't change a lot for my high school years anymore, and so I thought it would be a good time to film. Let's get started. I didn't plan this through, so let's start off with this. Okay, so my bathroom is here and my kitchen is here. You enter, and ta-da! Looks a little something like this. I think my room looks a lot bigger on camera, but it's actually pretty small and cozy. And something weird about my room is like, it's a 1, 2, 3, 6. It's a hexagon. Let's start here. The first thing you see when you come are my bags. They look like this. I have like some backpacks, my go-to purses, and if you turn this way, this is my outfit, my longer outfit. It's a mirror, so I don't need any mirrors except for the one that I have. So when you open the mirror, it's a pretty messy wardrobe. I have some backpacks and more storage stuff. And then my shoes that I wear sometimes that aren't by my door. Hoodies and like crew necks. Let's continue. Like an outfit I'm gonna wear this week. Shoes, socks. I have it by like fuzzy socks and like normal socks and thin socks. My classical guitar, and then some pants, sweatpants, skirts, some more skirts and dresses here. Like my leggings, my sportswear, long sleeve shirts. This is where it gets kind of confusing. I have my shorts, then my jeans, and then I have, what the frick is that? And then I have some dressier type of shoes, question mark. Then over here we have another mirror, except I don't want to open this because I'll give you a little peek. Oh, jackets, and then I don't even want to look at it. Then I have my school backpack, my school stuff that I need to throw out, my mom's and dad's stuff. It's some towels that I use, tech stuff, hair stuff, like all those stuff. Ugly stuff, except for these Bibles. But I got a new one. I ordered it on Amazon because these are so ugly and I wanted to be more motivated. My art supplies that I use, mostly, this is just acrylic paint set, and my beautiful watercolor pencils. Then I have some books. These are all like books that my dad has given me. More books. Here we have, oh no, my skincare stuff. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. And I don't wear a lot of makeup, so I basically just use this pouch and this pouch for my everyday makeup. And then I guess I'll have some like, whoa, lip products, and then like brushes, but I don't even use brushes. Then I have like more like eyeshadow palettes in here and stuff that I don't really use. Then here we have like a messy little cubicle area. My wallet that I bring around, chargers, face masks, slime, candies and throat candies, and then what are these called? Earbuds, phones, exactly. Then I have my acoustic guitar, a painting that I did in like 7th grade, 6th grade. Then a little watercolor portrait thing I did of myself. My Polaroid camera, and then this is my plant. So we'll get to my desk now. It looks like this. A little overview. This is a letter my lovely friend Yarn wrote me. Post-its, my to-do list stuff, and then I have like those tickets for the beach, and I just put it up there because I thought it was kind of cute. A little light that I use for when I do my work late at night because of school. I have a little magnetic pin thing that says everything sucks with a cat on it. But that's not my motto, guys. Like, I'm that type of person who is like, yeah, guys, even though everything sucks, life is going great. Tear, tear. And then I have a donut squishy. Down here I have some pictures that I took. Some magazine scraps from the Urban Outfitters magazine. Birthday letters from my best friends. This one is from Ella. And this one is from Julia. And over here I have a nice Country Manor vanilla candle. I forgot what it's called. But it's the hand. My bae. Yeah, I bought it at TJ Maxx because I thought it was really cute. And I have my Bible, my just journal, not journal, like my book for writing anything. And then I have my journal, which I write everything in, like about my life and about like spiritual stuff or like my dreams, or like if I'm having a tough time, I'll write it down so I can go back and be like, ah, that was so funny, and now that thing is over and I can praise the Lord that I got through it. Then I have my little sketchbook. This is a doggy calendar. And then I have a candle from Aromatic. And then I have this little pottery thing that my friend Ethan got me for Christmas. I have some more postcards back there. This is my plant, Naomi. She's a new one. My mom gave me her. She's another sweet potato plant. Yeah, life hack, guys. If your sweet potatoes are growing these little thingies, you can turn it into a plant for your room, and I love it. Picture in the back with my mom and dad and little me and my mom when they were getting married. This is Penelope. She's growing in a different way that you've seen before, because she was like this and that part kind of died, but now she's like thriving in this action near the window. And I have ACT books because I need to study, and I'm studying for my second test. Yeah, you know, the junior life. Tissue boxes, some college stuff, and my mug of green tea. My chair, this is like, whoa, has like my drawing stuff, like some pencils, etc. You know, you get the gist. Here I have my hair stuff, nail stuff, and then I have Polaroids that I haven't put up yet because I want to get like a full line, or else it'll look kind of weird. And then I have ugly stuff. Usually in the night I turn the blinds. What? I like turn the blinds. How do you say that in verb form? I shut the blinds off. Oh, I shut the blinds. Yeah, I shut the blinds. Wow, it's so pretty today. My beautiful lamp that I turn on in the night, and it's very nice with the candles. It's like yellow light. I don't really like harsh LED lights. This is Cindy. She's still growing very beautifully. My easel that I use on my desk when I paint and stuff. Here I have my art stuff. More supplies full of art stuff, like chalk pastel, oil pastel, brushes, stuff like that. Then I have this really chunky, ugly looking humidifier, but it's so good. I have this really chunky, not that sexy heater. So I covered it with this really pretty scarf blanket. I have my belts here. Dream catcher. This is Millie, and I got her from Ella for Christmas. Cheyenne, an aloe plant, and she's very pretty. Picture of me and my pops in the back. Some glasses. Then I have this really pretty thing that my dad got me from the flea market with my watches. I feel like nothing has been focused in this video. I'm very sorry, guys. I apologize deeply. This is an egg holder with my favorite rings, glasses, this thing that Ethan got me. And I have a jewelry holder with my necklaces in the back and then my bracelets in the front, some earrings, and then my Wi-Fi thingy. That's not sexy either. Then here, this is a Yankee Candle. It's called Sugared Pumpkin Swirl. Thanks, Veggie. My friend Victoria got me that. Some magazines. Little statue, me and my dad, my friends from last year's homecoming, my friends in this year's homecoming, my phone. Then I have my bed area where all the magic happens, aka sleep. So here I have these fairy lights from IKEA, and it kind of just ratchetly It's not even a like adverb. I just taped it on. Pillow that I use. Then this really pretty orange blanket. Yeah, it's a really pretty print. Let me get up on the bed. These are my boys. All my friends are up here. And it looks like this. Yeah! So yeah, that was kind of it. It's my little hexagonical room. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you like this really makeshift video, and stay tuned for more content. Thanks guys. Mwah!
I can't stop, I'm nervous, red, cunt, I take it. Call me whatever the fuck you want, call me scared, call me ugly.